Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. First of all, a very happy Navratri to everyone. The look that I'm going to show you how to do today is a Navratri special look, and this is apt not just for Navratri, it is perfect for any other festival as well. There were a lot of thought that went behind creating this look. In fact, since couple of weeks I had been contemplating on lot of ideas as to what I should do for Navratri, the kind of look that I would want to do for Navratri. And ultimately, I realized that this particular look that I have curated this time is actually very apt. And there were a lot of thoughts, like I mentioned earlier also, a lot of thoughts behind doing this particular makeup look. The main factor to come up with this idea were just two. I realized that Dashera or Dasai is one such festival where we do not celebrate just one day, 2 day. We go on for a couple of days, 4 days, 5 days. I know Nepalis, they go on for 1 week, 2 weeks on Dasai. So keeping all this factor in mind, and the other most important factor, what I realized about festival is that we don't have time. Yes, we don't have time to sit and get ready. So these were two important factors that led me finalize this look. To give a brief about the look that I'm going to do today, it's a very simple look. The highlight of this makeup is the eyes, the eye makeup, and this eye makeup is very simple. You can do the same eye makeup every day, and the best part about doing the same look every day is that you get the opportunity to learn your mistakes. You get to know what is working out, what is not working out, and you get speeder by the time you do it for the second time, third time. Having said that, again, we know that we don't want to look the same. We don't like to be monotonous, right? So because of that, I added one tiny change and one tiny detail, and that detail makes the entire look. And the best part about the tiny detail is that it is just going to take 30 seconds of your time. Yes, only 30 seconds. So enough of talking, and let's get to action now. So for my skin today, I am going to use only Nykaa products. To begin with, I am going to use this primer from Nykaa. I have very oily skin and I have a lot of pores. So let's see how well this primer is going to work on my skin. Moving on, I am going to use Nykaa foundation. We are next going to color correct and conceal some discoloration around my eyes and mouth area. And for that, we are going to use this Nykaa concealer and corrector palette. The interesting part about this concealer palette is that I have the exact same concealer palette from MAC. So let me show you both. This is the MAC concealer corrector palette that I have, and this is Nykaa. Can you see they look exactly the same? This concealer corrector palette by MAC is really good. I have used this multiple times. I have purchased this so many times. I was surprised to find that Nykaa has also launched a similar concealer corrector palette. And this concealer palette I bought at just 1,000 rupees, whereas MAC concealer corrector palette will cost you close to 3,000 rupees. So let's see how this is going to work out and whether it is as good as MAC or not. I am first going to use this shade to color correct the discoloration I have. So with brush, I'm just going to place the product, and I am going to continue using the beauty blender. I am next going to use this color to conceal. I'm now going to use this color to highlight my under eyes. I'm now going to set my makeup using this Nykaa setting powder. We are now going to move on to doing our eyes. I am going to use the eyeshadow palette Now That's What I Called 2000 by I Heart Revolution. I am going to take the medium brown color and apply on my crease and blend it out well. It is going to act as a transition color. I like to use a clean blending brush to blend out the eyeshadow that I have applied. From the same palette, I am going to take the darkest brown color, and this color I am going to further apply on my crease as well on the outer corner of my eyes. I am now using eyeshadow from another range of I Heart Revolution, which is Now That's What I Called 90s. I am going to take the lightest brown color that I have on this palette, and I am going to apply this all over my eyelid. Next, I am going to take this kajal from Faces and going to apply on my lower lids. I am going to tight line and slightly spill over so that I can smudge the edges of the kajal. I am now taking the medium brown color. This is the same first color that we had used as transition color on our upper eyelids. The same color I am going to use on my lower lids, which will help to blend out the kajal further and give that smoky effect. The final color that I will be using is from the eyeshadow palette Life on the Dance Floor by Makeup Revolution London. I will be using their brightest green color. I am going to apply this green color on the inner corner of my eyes and slightly blend out towards the upper lid and the lower lid so that it looks beautiful and well blended. The color that I am applying on the inner corner of my eyes is going to be the highlight of this look. And this color can be changed as per your choice. Whatever clothing you're wearing, you can either match or contrast and keep changing. Once I was done with the eyeshadow, I applied this eyelash off camera. So let me show you the eyelash that I have used today. It is from Nykaa again, and it is Melodrama. I like this eyelash. It gives a little more natural look and it does not have too much of volume, at the same time not so less also. It's there, it's there. You can see it looks beautiful. So moving on, we are going to complete by doing our eyebrows, and I am again going to use this eyebrow pencil from Nykaa. I find this very easy. I use it every day and for all my makeup looks. So we are now going to complete the look by contouring and applying blush. I'm going to use this Nykaa blush and I'm going to use this peach shade. I'm using this lip balm from Nykaa. It's called Lip Crush. Apply lip balm to soften my lip. Like you prep your skin for foundation, you also need to prep your lips. You need to moisturize it well before you apply your lipstick. I first applied this Nykaa lipstick this is in this shade 26M. This was the lipstick that I applied first. I am now going to mix it with NYX lipstick. I am just going to apply this on top, and I am going to slightly make the brown lighter.